Well, it's fall and there is some exquisite beauty out here at the moment. And here's something you can do the next time you come around a corner, you're out driving and you see one of these incredible trees. Notice that in the moment where you first see it, your mind goes completely silent. You're having a truly impersonal experience of beauty just flooding in. And then watch, a second later will come the familiar feeling of yourself again, with all the problems or the worries, the ambitions, the to-do list. Notice the difference. Notice this feeling of beauty versus that feeling of having your personal life show up again. And you'll discover one of the secrets of the ages, which is that personal life has to be resurrected in your mind, in your thoughts, in your imagination. Impersonal beauty versus the feeling of having your personal life. Use these moments to discern the difference between these two things. This is really what all real spiritual work is aimed at, is this discovery of the impersonal life that is always there, but that gets covered over by the fabrications of our mind that creates this feeling of a personal, individual you or me.